When it comes to showcasing the latest metal coffee table designs for a YouTube video, it's important to consider the current trends and popular styles. Here are a few ideas for metal coffee table designs that can add a modern touch to your video. 1. Geometric minimalism. Look for metal coffee tables with clean lines and geometric shapes. Designs featuring a combination of metal and glass or wood can create an eye-catching centerpiece. 2. Industrial chic. Industrial-style coffee tables continue to be popular. Consider tables made from reclaimed metal or featuring distressed finishes, exposed bolts, and raw edges. These designs provide a rugged and stylish look. 3. Mixed materials. Combine metal with other materials to create a unique coffee table. For example, look for designs that incorporate metal legs with a marble or wooden tabletop. This blending of materials can result in an elegant and contemporary aesthetic. 4. Sculptural statements. Choose coffee tables with sculptural metal bases or intricate patterns. These designs can serve as art pieces while functioning as functional furniture. 5. Metallic finishes. Explore coffee tables with interesting metallic finishes, such as brass, copper, or brushed steel. These finishes can add a touch of luxury and sophistication to any space. 6. Nesting tables. Consider showcasing metal nesting tables that provide flexibility and versatility. These tables can be stacked together or separated, offering multiple surfaces for drinks, books, or decorative items. Remember to curate a diverse selection of designs to cater to different tastes and preferences. Additionally, including a mix of coffee tables with varying sizes and shapes will make your video visually appealing and engaging for your viewers.